Rivers sustain life. They provide drinking water, food, and habitats for different species. While we often look only above the surface, it's time to take a deep dive. Under the surface, life is thriving and the elements are at play. The main element in and underwater is sediment. It is created by erosion, and its composition is dependent on the location and geology. Gravel, sand, silt, and clay are the types of sediment we find in the rivers Mura, Drava, and Danube. Those particles of different sizes and composition are vital for natural river dynamics. They are like food for rivers. Their balance is essential. These three rivers form the lifeline of the UNESCO 5-country Biosphere Reserve. It is a complex system, and the change in sediment balance and transport can be significant, not only for nature, but also for people. Lack of sediment can affect entire habitats, or indirectly, species such as birds nesting or resting along or on the river. The sediment-starved river consumes its riverbed, resulting in erosion and a process of self-reinforcing channelization of the river. This in turn affects groundwater levels and consequently water supply and poses a risk to agriculture. Other human activities intensify the issue. Dams and hydropower plants disrupt sediment transport, while sand and gravel extraction steal the essential sediment from the river. River channelization hinders dynamic processes and accelerates the erosion of the riverbed. To mitigate pressures and to enable natural river dynamics, river restoration is needed. It is a process which aims to return life to rivers. Since each river is unique and has its specificities, an integrated and inclusive approach is needed. Only with a joint, innovative approach and cooperation can we preserve and restore the Biosphere Reserve's most valuable resource: our rivers.